Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our DC-10T-DN-NEMA foot switch operated manufacturing digital countdown timer. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to regulate the flow of production via their own desktop. And they do this through the use of our new tripod desktop, which can be located at the bottom of the enclosure. So how it works is the client simply powers the unit, then sets it at the top of their desk, and then sets the desired time to count down from through our push button switches on top of the enclosure. And then they start the countdown with our DC sealed 25 foot switch. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this countdown timer and how it is meant to work. So like I stated before at the beginning, this is our new DC tripod desktop 1 that comes with mounting brackets for the NEMA enclosure. It can be located right here at the bottom of the enclosure right here. And this is going to be used in handmade factories where workers are making products by hand or materials by hand. And this is evident through our DC 25 sealed foot switch that is located right here, and it is directly wired into the NEMA enclosure. And the user can also set the desired time to count down from. They can set the minutes, they can set the seconds, they can reset to the last value, and they can reset it to 0, and they can even simply start the countdown timer once it's been set, as well as stop it during mid-count. So first things first, we're going to showcase how to set the desired time to count down from. So we're going to just have it count down from, let's just say 5 seconds. So I go on top of here and press the set seconds button. Press it again to stop at 5 seconds. Now, at this point, the user can use the foot switch to start the countdown. And once it reaches 0, the end period alarm will go off for about 5 seconds, and that signifies the user that the countdown has reached 0. The user can also set the minutes as well. They can set the desired time to count down from a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. So they can easily just press the set minutes button to have it count down from, let's just say, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. And they can use this button right here to start the countdown, and they can also press it again to stop the countdown. They can reset to the last value with this button right here, the 4th button. And they can reset absolutely everything back to 0. And as you can see on the left, we have our adjustable piezo alarm that sounds off at 95 to 105 decibels. It is adjustable to that. So all they would have to do is just simply twist it until it reveals the end of period alarm, and you could easily have it sound off at 105 if they wanted to. We had it set to go off at 95 decibels. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is a NEMA 4X IP66 rated polycarbonate casing with a UL flammability rating of UL 94.5VA. Its display size is 1 inch that can be viewed up to a total of 25 feet. The number of digits that it contains is 4 digits, and it can count down from a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds, as I stated before. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC SJEOW NEMA 515 power cord that is 9 feet long. And lastly, for accessories, we have our DC foot sealed 25 switch that is IP68 rated, and it is water resistant, and it comes with 25 feet of cabling. We also have our new DC tripod desktop 1 along with mounting brackets for the NEMA enclosure, and our end of period alarm that sounds off between 95 to 105 decibels. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our new DC-10T-DN NEMA foot switch operated manufacturing digital countdown timer. Thanks for watching.